Hey, okay, the next digital tool I'm here to talk about is abcya.com. This is a website that provides educational games and activities for school age children, anywhere between the ages of, well, school age, pre K, all the way up to sixth grade, as you can tell from this. It is organized by grade levels and also as well as subjects. And if you go down, you can see um, they've got several games to choose from. Also, if you go up here and you go to Common Core Standards, they sort by grade or standard. You can search the standard. So I'm going to do fourth grade English Language Arts, and these are some of the categories. Okay, and I'm going to do language. Okay, so if I'm searching for a particular skill about prepositional phrases, I can click on that and it will show me a couple of different games that can be used for that. And so once I click on it, I can add it to my favorites. So I think I'll do that. Oh, and you have to sign up for a premium, I guess, to get your favorites. So, but this is what the game looks like. Okay, new game. Whoops. So anyway, but there's different games on here. Let's go back to this. Parents and teachers. This tells you a little bit about it. Different things. This is a great tool for kids just to reinforce skills. You can actually search by skill. Like if I typed in verbs, it would take me to a couple of standards, which is great, and then a couple of games, and then different standards that the games would fit with. So that's really cool. And there's a whole bunch of them. So this is unlimited. It's got some pretty good graphics. The kids seem to love it. You can purchase like a monthly subscription or whatever that gives you a little bit more tools to deal with. There are also some really cool holiday things that you can do. Let's see if I can go back to that. If you go to like fourth grade, they are categorized by these different things here. Holiday. There's some really cool little fun things for seasonal type things. It's just a fun way to get the kids on the computers or reading, and this tells like what the grade levels are. Also, oops, if I want to, I can go by, this also has math as well, but letters, it's got some really cool stuff on there. And here's a lot of those parts of speech, math games. The kids love the math games. Oh my goodness. So there's just a bunch on here, but it's just a great educational tool. And you can also do an app for this one. This one can be used on any device. Again, tablets, Chromebooks, and anything that can have a web browser or an app. And you can search by strategy, skill, look up games by standards. The kids really enjoy it. And the only problem I've seen with it is that it requires Adobe Flash, and sometimes that can be an issue if you don't have that. Some of the kids complain about glitches where the game doesn't always work right, but if they reboot it or refresh, then it usually picks right back up. So it's a great tool, great strategies and skills that they can be reinforced, and the graphics are really fun, and the kids love it. So